Hey everyone, in this video we're going to invert and then graph this function f of x is equal to the square root of x plus 2, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find f of f inverse of x and set that equal to x and then solve for f inverse. We've been doing the same thing without any hassle, so we're just going to keep doing that. That's the square root of f inverse of x is equal to x minus 2. And now what we do right here is we go ahead and we square both sides, right? We're going to raise them both to the second power. X minus 2. Great. And the square root and the square cancel on this side, and that leaves us with f inverse of x is equal to the quantity x minus 2 squared. If we wanted to FOIL that out, that would be x squared minus 4x plus 4. But I think this is just fine. And then we need to graph that. So if I have a graphing calculator, what I could do is I could go ahead and take my graphing calculator here and go to my y coordinates, clear it, and we had this was x square root of x plus 2, so I'm going to take there it is, square root of x, add 2 to it, and then I'm going to take, it was x minus 2 quantity squared. Great. And then we'll just do zoom, standard window, see what we get. There's the square root and there's the square, and we can see that we've got a little bit of issue with the domain here, and what we really should be doing is we should be restricting the domain of our inverse. So right here, notice how for our function x must be greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. So this is on, has a domain 0, infinity, right? That means the same thing here. The range of our inverse will have to be from 0 to infinity. Can't get anything other than that. And since the domain here goes from 2, right, onto infinity, or the range of this is 2 infinity, the domain here will have to be 2 infinity. All right. There we go. That's this problem. I'll see you for the next one.